Hello everybody, I am back and I am at a place I have never been before in Walt Disney World, and that is Blizzard Beach. So it opens in just a couple of days and I am here to find out all of the fun, what's new, how they're keeping us safe. So I'm heading in, gonna take some pictures and some video to show you all about it. Let's go. First stop, hi, temperature screening.
Temperature. One moment. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, thank you. Hi. Blizzard Beach. Oh gosh, bubbles. Wow. It's snowing. This is so cool. Wow! Wow! It's snowing! It's 70 and snowing! They are bringing out the bubbles! You can't have enough bubbles! Wow! It's beautiful! Good morning, hi! Wow! It's so cool! Wow! Good morning! All right, let's go! Let's take a look at some of the merch. Oh, look at that! The icicles are dripping! Wow! Got some cool attention to detail. Hello! So of course, if you forget your flippies, or you want like sun shirts, like swim shirts with SPF, oh my gosh, that's awesome. It almost looks like a Spirit jersey. You can wear it in the water. I love that. All kinds of goodies. More icicles, because it's melting. Now again, I have never been here before, so I'm just gonna walk around and see what kind of catches my eye. So hopefully things will catch your eye too. And it looks super fun. Whoa. Okay, let's go this way. Thank you. This must be the lazy river, correct?
Correct.
And this is one of the longest lazy rivers. It takes between 25 and 30 minutes to get around. Did I do my math right?
It does roughly take that amount of time to make it all the way across, all the way around.
That's awesome. I love the markers. And here we go. Man, it is beautiful. Look over here. I don't know if you can see, but lots of lounge chairs. There's some shady areas. This is super cool. Beach chair ski lift, and it takes you way up to that top slide. Man, I don't think I have the guts for that. It goes 65, you can go up to 65 miles an hour, which is almost the same as, it's like a 1/10 of a mile slower than Test Track over at Epcot. All right, and my first official pit stop is at Avalanche. I'm gonna try some of the snacks. Okay guys, I'm in the sun. Apologize, but we're going to try the plant-based bratwurst, which I'm excited for. Very good. Good texture. It's not bristly. Very good. Okay, and these are like little chicken sliders. Very good. Has some pickle on it, and the sauce is pretty sweet. Those are good too. The chickens are really crunchy. I would eat them both. Again, we're crossing over the bridge that goes to the lazy river. I would come just for that. Not even kidding. This is like a super cute area for the wee ones. Look how adorable that is. Well, let's see if we can find these. Green slope, purple slope. I feel like green is probably the easiest. Yes. Purple kind of in the middle, and then red. Oof. Ski Patrol Training Camp. Oh yes, I did read about this. This is kind of like an obstacle course. Kind of catered to tweens and teens, and I think you can get on a slide here as well. Yeah, look how cute. So you can stand on the little icebergs and hold on to the rope and try and make your way across. We're heading up to the slide area. And this is the green slope area. How adorable. I love it. I don't know if you can see, but I love how the snow sparkles. Kind of reminds me of home when I left. It was 2 degrees. The snow was very sparkly. And another look at the super cute beach chair ski lift. So cool runners, cool tube slide through rapidly melting moguls. It's a favorite of preteens, no infants. Okay, so definitely this area is catered towards preteens and teens. This isn't filled, but look how cute.
For the comfort of our younger riders,
I could do this kind of a slide for sure.
less than 2 feet. Have a great run.
Okay, we're headed from the green slopes now and headed towards the purple slope and the vicious red slope. I don't know, guys. Would you do the red slope at almost 65 miles an hour? I don't think I could. I think I would be petrified. And probably breathe in at the end and breathe in all the water. So here are a bunch, again, they have tons of lounge chairs, both in the sun and in the shade. Oh man, look at this. I feel like a little kid where I'm like, wow, wow, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at that pool, it is gorgeous. I'm gonna go around and take a closer look. Okay, this big pool area starts, it's a 0 depth, so you can literally take the little ones and walk in. Over there, I don't know if you can read it because of the sun, but it's about 4 feet over there. 4.5 feet, and then I assume it gets deeper closer to where the cute little waterfalls are. This area looks like special cabanas, and they're covered, they're like big lounge chairs. See if we can get a closer look. I don't know, maybe you can see. They're right there. They almost look like private lounge access. That is a gorgeous view. Okay, one more quick peek. This is cool. This reminds me of like the tide pools on beaches. But another quick pan just to show you how beautiful it is here and all the seating. Yeah, so pretty. Let's go get a drink. So they do offer both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Hello, 1 banana, Cabana, please. Thank you. Good, I love pineapple. Thank you so much. Look how beautiful that is.
And I was like, well, we don't have any elevation in Florida, so.
Look how cute. They do have all day drinking cups. Wow.
For you.
Ah, little
so
hidden.
This is a safe for you. It does open over here.
Oh,
And inside is actually a phone
gosh.
charger, so you can keep your items safe in there and
Oh,
charging.
wow. Brilliant.
Platters that serve more people, and someone will bring it to your polar patio for you.
How fun. Oh, that's so cool. So up to 10 people.
Up to 10 people.
All day, reserved for the day.
You have your refillable mugs, free infused waters.
Do the refillable mugs come with the use of the patio? Oh, that's exciting.
Unlimited towels
Yes.
too, so lots of really great amenities.
And a hidden Mickey. This area is called Meltaway Bay. Strong waves. So a wave pool, how cool. And then again, all the seating. I wanted to get over here to show you this big slide. Right there. Wow. I don't know, guys. That one doesn't look too bad. I think that one up there, yeah, that's my bugaboo. Well, before we leave, I think we definitely need to check out the merch because, you know, Disney merchandise. And I'm curious to see what they offer here. I know we stopped at that one little booth, but there's a bigger, much larger store in the front. So let's go check that out. Wow. Oh, there's definitely some goodies in here. Everything from swim shirts to all the Spirit jerseys. I actually like that green one. Super soft t-shirts. More Spirit jerseys. This is fun. Cute little water bottle holder. Yeah. All right, folks, that will do it for my quick tour of Blizzard Beach at Walt Disney World. Oh my gosh, I never realized how beautiful it is and how much fun I would have here. Even if you're an adult and you don't have kids, or you have older kids, I would have fun here. I would have fun just in a lazy river and one of those cabanas. Oh my gosh, have a nap, do some work, you know, the whole lot. So again, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel because I love seeing those numbers go up. And in the meantime, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, I guess who's gonna be 4 years old sitting in a sled? Oh, this is adorable.